Sorry guys, but I was going to check how much battery I have left. We're still gonna post that other video, but yeah.
Say poo poo.
Poo poo.
The poo poo had to go to the bathroom.
Wait, the poo poo has a butt, so he's gonna poop on another poo poo, and that poo poo's gonna have a butt. He's gonna poop on another poo poo.
Yeah, there are gonna be 1,000 poops taking over.
Until the smallest one becomes, and he gets this even smaller one that can't even poop.
Yeah, and then he becomes the size of an ant, and then I step on him. And then it becomes the size of a microscopic crumb, and then everybody runs over him, steps on him, drowns him, because he gets washed into the sewer. Because of the rain.
What the heck? It's a poop. And then the whole entire place
died.
And then his last thing was shooting super diarrhea that flooded the whole entire world. So the whole entire world was drowned.
And then he died.
And then he died because he drowned himself and killed everyone else inside diarrhea. So the Earth had no more population.
Except me and Ethan and Toby. We were the only ones that survived.
Toby doesn't have a channel yet, but I think he's trying to make one. So whenever he has one, go ahead and go check it out. But yeah.
And there'll be so what happened is that there was a poop that made zombies that pooped out lots of zombies, and he pooped out thousands and thousands that covered the whole world.
What are you saying?
And then he just died because the zombies all stepped on him.
Okay, that's just gross. Holden, that's just gross. We'll put this in the middle so everyone can see both of us.
So
never mind.
basically, he got a shrink ray, and then he shrank all the Earth population.
Hey, Holden, I'm sweaty.
Why?
Okay, that's funny. I was like, Holden, I'm sweaty. You're like, why? That's not really an answer, Holden. It's asking me why I'm sweating. And I'm not trying to sweat, but I'm sweating. Because I'm hot. Everyone,
Really?
can you see that football that's on his head? Holden, what are you doing?
Ow!
What are you doing? What's happening over there?
Oh no, I think the top of my head is gonna crack open.
Is that even your head, or is that just Legos? Or is that not Legos either?
That's the Sonic.
What?
That's the Sonic with the 2 collectibles in it.
Is that what the zombie comes from?
I got the zombie from a friend.
Oh. I have a wolf, a Minecraft wolf.
And I actually have another zombie.
Holden, look, I have a Minecraft wolf. Here's my Minecraft wolf, if you're all wondering what it looks like. It's just a Minecraft wolf without a leash on. He's gray.
What is a wolf?
Hold on, I'm showing everyone what the wolf looks like. And hold on, here you go. This is what it looks like.
Whoa! Wait,
It's just a
I think
Minecraft.
I have that.
What?
Show me the face.
What?
Show me the face and the tail. That's the face. Show me the tail. No, I don't have that. I don't have that. Now let me show you the zombie. I actually have a zombie in flames.
I have a skeleton that's in flames. You got it for my birthday party before.
I did?
Yeah. Before COVID.
Can I see it?
It's upstairs. I think it's like one of my bins. It's like where a whole bunch
of fire on the zombie is transparent.
So you can take it off, or?
No, you can actually see through it.
Oh.
You can see light coming through it.
That's... Oh, and I expected this to be your bedtime. Never mind. I mean, it is pretty much just the weekend. It's Friday, and we don't have any work to do today, so because it's like today is our like parent. Hey, hold on. Are you gonna post any new videos besides me and you just talking together on Zoom calls?
Maybe we could do like a chase or something. Maybe we could do like the whole world is covered in zombies or something. I'll do another video where it's like all scary and me
I'm gonna make a new video and make my dad help me out on it. But yeah, I'm gonna do like this thing that's like escaped prisoner and like tomorrow. Yeah.
Well, guess what, Ethan? I'm gonna make Night of the Living Creeps. Hey, Daddy. We can make Night of the Living
I got my dog over here too. Yeah.
What videos are you gonna post?
I got.
Weekend?
Well, of course, the other one that we're gonna make our own like DIY unboxing.
Yeah.
Like
I have
this.
something else to show you.
I'm get my dad to help me out with this like escaped prisoner thing. Hold on, if you can still hear me, I honestly. Hey Daisy, I'm trying to make a video here.
Ready? It's a surprise!
Alrighty, everyone.
Bum, 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 bum.
It's a big, stuffy spider from Minecraft.
It's actually squishy, and when you squish it, it smells like really good.
Wait, Minecraft spiders smell good? I can't smell them. I haven't smelled them before. No offense,
If you
spiders.
squish the toy, it'll smell really good.
Hey, Daisy. Hold on. I have 27% still, so I still have a little bit of time. Daisy, you want to come inside the video? Hey, you want to come inside the video? Hey, Daisy, it's alright. Hey, go on the right. Where you been?
Daisy!
Well, by the way, everyone, Holden, I'll be right back. Holden, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna show all the viewers my mock again. I already made a video for the mock, but I'm gonna show them again just for a moment, because you can see on my screen in the background, you can see that it doesn't look like it was 700 pieces, but it is because of like the big builds inside it. So here you go. Like this right here, that right there, that right there, that right there. Some of these Legos, that. Just so many things. 10 base plates and 76 figures now. Last time it was only like 74. Now it's 76. Hold on, everyone. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, everyone. I'm trying to line up the camera with the thing because I have a tablet and I don't know where the other thing is. Okay, we got Holden here. I'll just hold it. Just Holden. Holden, you're like halfway onto your thing.
There.
Holden, should we end the video here?
Remember me from Holden's World TV?
I hope everyone knows him.
Remember, like, me in a different house?
Yeah.
I was a little younger in that other house.
Daisy.
I was kind of older to you. You might have not seen the later videos with.
Well, in your first video, you were in like the video in like your old house, and
Yeah. Mhm.
and in your new video, you had a whole new house that has like 2 stories and stuff.
Yeah. No.
And you're in it right now. You're in it right now. It's right there.
The old house only had 1 floor.
Yeah, and you're inside your old house right now. I mean, your new house right now. So
Yeah. Mhm. I am.
here's a little bit of his house. Should we end the video here, Holden?
Yeah, we should.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Don't forget to check out.
Bye.
Don't forget to.
Subscribe and turn your notifications off.
And don't forget to subscribe to Holden's channel and my channel. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.